The Pakistani government has announced plans to introduce a digital rupee by 2025. This will make Pakistan one of the first countries in the world to adopt a central bank digital currency. A CBDC is a digital form of a country's fiat currency that is issued and backed by the central bank. It can be used to make payments online and offline, and it can also be used to store value. There are a number of potential benefits to adopting a digital rupee. First, it could help to reduce transaction costs and improve the efficiency of the payment system. Second, it could make it easier for people to access financial services, especially those who are currently unbanked or underbanked. Third, it could help to reduce the use of cash and promote financial inclusion. However, there are also some potential risks associated with adopting a digital rupee. One concern is that it could be used to launder money or finance terrorism. Another concern is that it could increase the risk of financial instability. In this video, we will discuss the pros and cons of the digital rupee adaptation plan by Pakistan. We will also take real-life examples of India and other countries that have adopted or shifted to digital currency. Pros of the digital rupee. 1. Reduced transaction costs. Digital payments are typically much cheaper than traditional payment methods, such as cash or credit cards. This is because digital payments do not require the same level of infrastructure and maintenance costs. 2. Improved efficiency. Digital payments are also much faster and more efficient than traditional payment methods. This is because digital payments can be processed instantly, without the need for any intermediaries. 3. Increased financial inclusion. Digital payments can help to make financial services more accessible to people who are currently unbanked or underbanked. This is because digital payments can be made without the need for a bank account or credit card. 4. Reduced use of cash. Digital payments can help to reduce the use of cash, which can have a number of benefits, such as reducing crime and corruption. 5. Promotion of financial inclusion. Digital payments can help to promote financial inclusion by making it easier for people to access financial services. Cons of the digital rupee. 1. Risk of money laundering and terrorism financing. Digital currencies can be used to easily launder money or finance terrorism. This is because digital currencies are often anonymous and can be transferred quickly and easily across borders. 2. Risk of financial instability. Digital currencies can pose a risk to financial stability if they are widely adopted. This is because digital currencies are not backed by any physical assets, and their value can be volatile. 3. Cybersecurity risks. Digital currencies are vulnerable to cybersecurity risks, such as hacking and theft. This is because digital currencies are stored in electronic wallets, which can be hacked. 4. Lack of awareness and understanding. Many people are not aware of digital currencies or how they work. This can lead to problems such as fraud and scams. Real-life examples. India is one of the countries that has adopted a digital currency. In 2021, India introduced the digital rupee, a central bank digital currency. Currently, it is undergoing a pilot phase, accessible only to a select group of individuals and businesses. Nevertheless, there are imminent plans by the Indian government to make the digital rupee available to the broader public. According to official statements, the digital rupee is expected to bring various advantages, including the reduction of transaction expenses and enhancements in the efficiency of the payment system. Other countries that have adopted digital currencies include China, Sweden, and the Bahamas. China has been developing its own CBDC, the digital yuan, for several years. The digital yuan is currently in the pilot stage and is only available to a limited number of people and businesses. However, the Chinese government has plans to roll out the digital yuan to the general public in the near future. The Chinese government has said that the digital yuan will have a number of benefits, such as reducing transaction costs and improving the efficiency of the payment system. Sweden is another country that has been developing its own CBDC, the e-krona. The e-krona is currently in the pilot stage and is only available to a limited number of people and businesses. However, the Swedish government has plans to roll out the e-krona to the general public in the near future. The Swedish government has said that the e-krona will have a number of benefits, such as reducing transaction costs and improving the efficiency of the payment system. The Bahamas is the first country in the world to launch a CBDC. In 2020, the Bahamian government launched the Sand Dollar, which is a CBDC. The Sand Dollar is available to all residents of the Bahamas and can be used to make payments. Conclusion. The Pakistani government's plan to introduce a digital rupee by 2025 has the potential to have a significant impact on the Pakistani economy and society. The digital rupee could help to reduce transaction costs, improve the efficiency of the payment system, and make financial services more accessible to people who are currently unbanked or underbanked. However, there are also some potential risks associated with adopting a digital rupee. One concern is that it could be used to launder money or finance terrorism. Another concern is that it could increase the risk of financial instability. It is important for the Pakistani government to carefully weigh the pros and cons of adopting a digital rupee before making a final decision. The government should also consult with experts and stakeholders to ensure that the digital rupee is implemented in a safe and responsible manner. Here are some additional things to consider. The Pakistani government should develop a clear and comprehensive regulatory framework for the digital rupee. This framework should address issues such as money laundering, financial stability, and consumer protection. The government should also work to educate the public about the digital rupee and how to use it safely. The government should start by rolling out the digital rupee to a limited number of people and businesses. This will allow the government to test the system and identify any potential problems before rolling it out to the general public.